how to get Telegram Premium for free. Let's get started. First of all, launch the Telegram application and make sure that you're logged in with your Telegram account. Now from here, navigate to top left corner, then tap on the three line icon. From this menu bar, tap on settings. That's gonna take you to settings page. Here scroll down a bit and there you will find an option as Telegram Premium. Tap on it. Now, the only way to get Telegram Premium for free is that if someone gifted you the Telegram subscriptions. If someone is using the premium subscriptions in Telegram, then that person can gift you the Telegram subscription and you can use that. Or else Telegram offers various kinds of giveaways. You can participate in those type of giveaways as well. So you have to be updated and keep in touch with those kinds of giveaways. Participate in giveaways and then you might get free premium subscription on giveaway. So these are the only ways to have the Telegram subscription for free. You won't be able to crack any methods or codes to get the Telegram Premium for free. And hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.